वर्गातले आम्ही क्विज या ठिकाणी विद्यार्थी आपल्या समोर आणतोय. यानंतर आपल्या समोर मी ज्युनियर KG च्या विद्यार्थ्यांना विनंती करतोय क्विजसाठी आपण मंचावरती यायचं आहे. आणि मी पुन्हा एकदा पालकांना महत्त्वाची सूचना या ठिकाणी देतो की आपण सर्वांनी जोपर्यंत आम्ही सूचना देत नाही तोपर्यंत आपण इकडे मंचाकडे येऊ नये. कारण काही विद्यार्थी वेगवेगळ्या गाण्यामध्ये आहेत. आपण आल्यानंतर विद्यार्थ्यांची या ठिकाणी दमछाक होते की तुमच्याकडे जायचे की बाहेर थांबायचं, त्यामुळे याची काळजी आपण घ्यावी. मी क्विज यातील विद्यार्थी आहेत आरोही मांडे, शरयू बद्दे, देवांश लांडगे या विद्यार्थ्यांनी मंचावरती यायचं.
The name of our state?
Maharashtra.
What is the name of our district?
Latur.
Which is our national anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
Who is the father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Which is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Which is our national tree?
Banyan tree.
Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national fruit?
Mango.
Which is our national currency?
Rupaya.
Which is our national game?
Hockey.
Which is our national river?
Ganga.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our national aquatic animal?
Dolphin.
What is the capital of India?
Delhi.
What is the capital of Maharashtra?
Mumbai.
How many directions are there?
4. East, west, south, north.
How many seasons are there in India?
3. Summer, winter, rainy.
What is the name of our national flag?
Tiranga.
How many colors are there in our national flag?
3 separate white, green.
What is the name of wheel in our national flag?
Ashoka Chakra.
How many spokes are there in Ashok Chakra?
24.
How many days are there in a week?
7.
How many months are there in a year?
12.
In which direction does the sun rise?
East.
In which direction does the sun set?
East.
How many colors are there in a rainbow?
7.
Who was the first prime minister of India?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Which is the smallest month of year?
February. February.
What is the color of milk?
White.
How many toes and fingers do you have?
10 fingers and toes.
Which is the tallest animal?
Giraffe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. धन्यवाद.